US President Donald Trump's 25% additional tariffs on India for its crude oil trade with Russia are all set to impact Indian exports and Indian economy negatively if they are implemented and the rate persists, feel experts, while adding that the move is a pressure tactic. US President Donald Trump on Wednesday signed an executive order of imposing 25% additional tariff on Indian exports to the US, citing India's ongoing oil purchases. Notably, Trump has not imposed any additional tariffs on China, which is the highest Russian oil purchaser. The new duty is expected to severely hit India's textiles, marine and leather sector. Following this directive, Indian goods will face a combined of 50% tariff with limited exceptions. Executive order titled Addressing Trade the US by the Government of Russian Federation establishes this additional 25% tariff alongside existing 25% levy. Order specifies that the duty imposed shall be in addition to such imports. The order states that I find the government of India is currently directly or indirectly importing Russian Federation oil. Accordingly, and as consistent with the applicable law, articles of India imported into the customs territory of the United States of America shall be subject to an additional rate of duty of 25%. While tariff structure places India and Brazil at a significant disadvantage, both facing the highest duty rate of 50% tariff, while other Asian countries benefit from lower tariffs. Specialists that will face the impact of these tariffs include textiles, clothing, gems and jewelry, leather and footwear, animal products, chemicals, electricals and mechanical machinery. Exempted from these elevated tariffs are pharmaceutical, energy resources, refined fuel, natural gas, coal, electricity, and electronic components, including various computers, smartphones, solid-state drives, and integrated circuits. Move would significantly impact India's export to the US. It is extremely shocking. It will impact India's 55% export to the US.